Well, welcome back, everybody, to Grandma's Corner, where you have been having a blast watching my videos full of suggestions and directions for DIY projects and arts and crafts and story time. And I'm telling you, I'm loving this, and I hope you're enjoying it too. So today we are going to continue with our parfait video. I already did a video about a parfait with Jell-O, but today we're going to do one with yogurt. Who doesn't love yogurt? And some other wonderful options that you can add for layering. I think I've got like this hair hanging on me or something. It's driving me crazy. So sorry. All right, we're going to make 3 different layered yogurt treats. Now these are very easy to make and something that even a youngster can do if they would like to participate in cooking for the family. This would make a great snack or a dessert at the end of a meal or maybe even a breakfast. So remember we did a video before on making granola? Well, here's that homemade granola that I made, and I told you it was going to come in handy dandy one of these days, and today's the day. So whoop, whoop, get excited. So I have coconut as a possible addition, blueberries, cranberries. I already showed you the granola. These are pomegranate seeds that I had in my freezer from my pomegranates that I grew outside. Wow, how cool is that? And cottage cheese. Now, believe it or not, cottage cheese and yogurt mixed together is fabulous. You get lots of protein and dairy in the cottage cheese, and then the yogurt, you get your sweetness and possibly a little bit of fruit as well. You can add nuts and seeds and all kinds of other fruits, maybe pieces of apple, oranges, tangerines, apricots, nectarines, bananas, and on and on and on and on and on. So the possibilities are endless. So let's get started. I have here a French vanilla, and I already took the lid off. And of course, when I took it off, it splattered all over me. And I didn't want that to happen while I was on camera. That would be embarrassing. So I decided to get this one prepped in the event that it was going to do the same thing. Yeah, word to the wise, huh? Hey, always lick it. Woo-hoo! Oh, that's so yummy. So this one happens to be a mixed berry yoplait. There are all kinds of yogurts out there that you can use. You don't have to do just yoplait. There's Chobani and there's the off brands that you get like at your supermarkets and all kinds of others. There's Greek yogurt and whatever your family enjoys, whatever's on sale, whatever your hand just grabs. So let's start off. I'm going to make one right now with the berry, and I'm going to put in just a little bit in the bottom of this beautiful glass dish, and I think that I'm going to add some blueberries to this one because this is already a berry yogurt. A very good yogurt. Get it? All right, then, enough of that joke stuff. Let's go ahead and I'm going to put a little bit of coconut. Yummy, yummy coconut. And then I think I might top it off with some of my French vanilla. Not too much, because you know what? You don't have to have a ton of this stuff. All right, I'm gonna leave the spoon in there because I'm gonna use that again. And because I made my homemade granola, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of that as well. Not too much, but enough to make it look appealing and look at the layers in there. And don't you just wanna dive into that right now? Well, you can't, so you're gonna have to hold on to your britches. All right, let's go to the next one. I'll leave that there for a little demonstration. All right, next one, I think I'll put vanilla in the bottom. A little bit there. And let's see, how about some pomegranates? Yeah, we like those pomegranates. It's like, what do you do with all those pomegranates that come off your trees? Well, that's one idea right there. Now I'm going to top it with, let's go to the cottage cheese. Oh, cottage cheese is great. If you don't have problems with dairy, go cottage cheese. You know what else is good? Ricotta cheese is really good. All right. Oh, gosh, look at all that protein you're putting in there. Ooh, that's fabulous, fabulous. All right, let's see. What are we going to put on top of that? How about if we put a few cranberries? And then I think what I'll do is I'm going to top it with more blueberries. I'm feeling kind of berry-ish today. There we go. Not a whole lot of color, but a whole lot of flavor. And again, we have layers. That's our parfait, folks. All right, let's look at the last one that we're going to make. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's put in the berry yogurt. And let's see. I think I'm going to put in more granola because I'm really digging this granola, folks. I love how this turned out. So crunchy and not too sweet. It's got nuts in it and flaxseed and all kinds of good stuff. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish off the vanilla yogurt that's in here. See how simple this is? Okay, that one's done deal. And let's see, how about if we put a little bit more coconut? And again, please vary whatever it is that you like to put on top of your yogurt. Got a little spill going there. Then you certainly aren't limited to this, that's for sure. All right, I really think that these pomegranate seeds are pretty darn pretty. So I'm going to borrow that spoon since the other ones have yogurt all over them. Oh, doesn't that look good? Okay. Well, there you go. Now, you can even set up a station and you can have people come and make their own. Put all the toppings there, bring out a couple of yogurts, bring out some ricotta cheese or plain old cottage cheese, and let people make their own. And after you have all of these made up, you guys can sit down together and you can have a feast. Get yourself some flowers and look at your creations that you've made and be so grateful and be so complimentary to whoever made them or to yourself. Because wow, who knew that you could be so creative and come up with these wonderful desserts or snacks or even breakfast? You are becoming quite the Chef Boyardee now, aren't you? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, come back again, look for more, and in the meantime, man, I'm gonna get this wild hair off of me. I don't know what the heck it is, but it's driving me nuts. So, bon appetit, and you have a great day. Ta-ta for now.